night before Christmas. The night before Christmas. The night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, and hoped that St. Nicholas would soon be there. The children were nested all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Mama and her chef, and I and my cat had just settled down for a long nap. When I went out the lawn, there was such a quiet. I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window, I flew like a flash, tore open shutters, and threw up a slash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster at midday to the two objects below. When what do not should appear, but a many slaves and 8 tiny reindeer, with a little old driver, so lovely and quick. I knew that in a moment, it must be Saint Nick. More rapt than eagles in his courses they came, and whistled, then shouted, and called them by their name. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer, now Vixen, come on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen, the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away all. And as dry leaves before the wild human fly, when they met an object in the mouth to the sky. So up to the housetop coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys and Nicholas too. And then, in a twinkling, I heard on the roof, and prancing at forward is the roof. And I drew my head, turning around, down the chimney, St. Nicholas came with a bound. We saw Justin from head to toe, with a bound. He was dressed from his head to his foot, with silver all textured with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys had slugs on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose was like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and his beard on his chin was white as snow, and his stump of the pipe he held right, his teeth in smoke ended his head with like a wreath. Wreath. He had a broad face where he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump. What? Like a right old jelly elf. old elf. And I laughed when I saw him spite of myself. And I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. And the winkle eye and twist of his head soon gave me nothing. Soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but straight to his work, and filled the stockings and returned with a jerk. And laid his finger outside of his nose, and giving a nod up the chimney he rolled. He sprang to his sleeve, to his teeth gave a whistle, and along they flew like down of a thistle. But I heard him explain, "You're out," he drove out of sight. Happy Christmas to all, and to all, good night. The end.